Hello friends, welcome to Science Fact Education. Today I am going to solve a problem based on true or false. It is an objective type, but we have to go with the true or false statement. In first statement, it is given that in simple cubic closed packed arrangement, no octahedral void is present at the edge center. Is it correct? Yes, of course it is correct. Because at the edge center, the presence of octahedral void will be possible with FCC unit cell, not with a simple cubic. In simple cubic unit cell, atoms arrange in this manner. That is, in first layer, square planar type, and in the second layer, atoms occupy exactly over the first layer. Okay, and thereby we will get a cubical system. This is a one unit cell of cubical system. You can see that. Okay, here coordination number is 8 with respect to this void. That is why in this case only cubical void is possible. Okay, so of course first statement is correct. What about the second statement? In second statement, it is given that in HCP unit cell, neighboring tetrahedral voids are never occupied simultaneously. Yes, it is also correct. Because in HCP unit cell, tetrahedral voids are present close to one another, very close. And in fact, they share a common triangular face. That is why in HCP unit cell, neighboring tetrahedral voids are never occupied simultaneously. This is a picture of HCP unit cell. You can see that three atoms are present inside the lattice. And these three atoms, they are able to make a tetrahedral void with these three atoms. Okay. If we repeat this HCP unit cell in the bottom side, of course, three atom will again come in this fashion. I'm not going to draw a whole structure because it will take time. Of course, like that, this atom will form a tetrahedral void with this triangular face. You can see that this is a one type of tetrahedral void at this center. While in this case, there will be the formation of another type of tetrahedral void. And it is clearly visible that both the tetrahedral geometry, both are sharing a common triangular face. This is a triangular face. And they are so close to each other. That is why it is not possible to occupy simultaneously by a cation or any kind of atom. Okay. What about the third statement, packing fraction? Of course, we know that for simple cubic, packing fraction is around 0.52. For BCC system, it is 0.68, and for FCC system, it is 0.74. So from top to bottom, it is increasing, and the order is also given in same. Is same. That is why third statement is also correct. What about the size of void? Is it correct order? Yes, it is also correct. Because radius ratio of cubical void, that is R positive divided by R negative, radius of the smaller ion divided by radius of bigger ion, which is equal to around 0.732. What is the meaning of this value? 0.732. This value indicates that any atom or ion can occupy in this range. Okay, 0.732 without distorting the structure. Okay, and cation can fits in this cubical void. This is with respect to cubical void. Okay, R plus, which is equal to 0.732 into R minus. Okay, so this is the maximum radius of cation or any atom which occupy the position of cubical void. While for octahedral void, this ratio is around 0.414. So the size of cation, that is equal to 0.414 R minus. Remember that this is this term used for largest atom or ion in which structure is not disturbing. Okay, structure is not disturbing. That is, atoms or ion is in contact to one another. Okay, it is only then permitted. Okay, so this is with respect to octahedral void. What about the tetrahedral void? So for tetrahedral void, R plus divided by R minus, that is equal to around 0.225. Okay, so R plus is equal to 0.225 R minus. It is for tetrahedral void. So of course, fourth statement is also correct. So on the basis of that, the correct option should be A. Thank you for watching this video.